Okay, giant mountain wilderness area, Adirondack. We have a big group today. We park here by the side of the road. It's 9.7 kilometers approximately, giant peak.
We're losing time.
Elevation is 850 or 900 meters elevation. Good. Tell us more.
So we are right here at the Ridge Trail parking lot. It's going to be blue trail markers the entire way up, and you guys are going to stay to the right at these first 3 junctions, and then at this last junction, the 4th one, you're going to stay to the left to the summit of Giant.
Okay.
And then also along with the blue trail markers, in some of the spots when you're up on the ridge, you'll be up and the trees will open up.
For Washington.
And it's nice because can take a little break from the inside. Like to be a little bit steady.
There's you.
For new construction.
Go.
New.
So it has to be cold. I'll wait because you're going to take a picture of me. This is nice.
Nice bridge.
I did the balcony. I still have my mom's room door.
So this is the toughest part of the hike. The last stretch, maybe 500 meters or something. It's gonna be all the way up, up, up. This is not a flat, this is up. I think we made it. 1 hour later, the group is already here. Yes, that's one. That's the summit. Hello. Did you miss us? Hello. Who are you? Nice.
Sorry, you stayed in the back today.
It's fine. I enjoyed it.
The top one, right?
Oh la la, meditation.
Nice.